Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready?
Ready? Let's go.
Hi Ate Aki! Happy birthday on this special day of your life. I wish that you get more happiness and joy you deserve. And all your dreams come true and also mahanap mo yung the one mo. And sana makag-asawa ka na Ate Aki. Senior ka no. Charis. Yun lang naman. Stay what you are and most of all, I'm so grateful to have a friend like you, sister. And nag-iingat ka lagi. Yun lang. Ingat. Love you. 14 ay 14 20 ay wish ko sana mag-asawa ka na para may baby ka na, baby. Diba ay pinarayan. Happy birthday ulit, love you. Alam mo na yung mga wishes ko, syempre tumagal pa tayo.
Wala nang ayos-ayos. Happiest birthday sa'yo. Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayong araw at piliin mo palagi na maging masaya. Tamang desisyon kasi tumatanda ka na. Tapos, mag-asawa ka na rin. Kasi ate, anong petsa na? Kailangan mo na mag-asawa, ha? Yan sabi ko sa'yo, huwag kang papayag na maunahan ka ni B at ni Kabet. Okay, ate? Happiest birthday. Love you, ate. Mag-iingat ka palagi. I wish you all the best in life. Mwah, 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 mwah.
Happy birthday, Tita Taki.
Happy birthday, Ate Aki. Wish ko para sa iyo ngayong birthday mo. Sana matupad mo lahat ng wish mo para sa iyo at para sa family mo. And lagi mong tatandaan kahit lagi ka namin binubuli. Nandito lang kami palagi. Mahal na mahal ka namin and proud kami sa iyo bilang ate namin. And yun lang. God bless and ingat palagi. And more babies to come sa inyo ni Kanta.
Happy birthday, Ate Aki. I hope on your special day you feel loved and celebrated. Love, love.
Now that you're close, I feel like coming undone in the middle of the night. When I'm in this dream, it's like a million little stars spelling out your name. You gotta come. Wait a minute.